Good swing. You hit the ground, but now hit the ball. With the rhythm now. Hit that one out right there. Too far from it. Yeah. Hit that ground, girl. You ain't hit no ground. Lot better. Now hit that one up front. Yeah, you got to come up to it. Oh, there it is. That's the one I was talking about.